Hello everyone, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Monday, February 10th, about 1:45 in the afternoon. Today, let's talk about MSG Sphere at the Venetian. Alright, let's go. You may recall I mentioned the cost of this project. It was between $1.2 and $1.7 billion. Now, I just read recently they have nailed down the cost down to $1.66 billion, and all parties seem to be happy, so that's good. They can carry forward without any other distractions. Now, some people may be still confused as to the location of the MSG Sphere at the Venetian, so let's check it out. There is the high roller right there. You see the sign says the Link. Then you have Harrah's, the Venetian, and the Palazzo. The northern border would be the, can't see it now, I guess, that's the monorail. Okay. And you can see the wind and the Encore, and in the background you can see the Resorts World Las Vegas, and even yes, you can see the Drew. Now this structure is due to open up in 2021, so let's see how it goes. All right, we're going to change positions right now to get a different view. All right, back in a flash. So right now I moved up a little bit, and we're on a street called Manhattan. So here's a map of where we are. Now, I spoke with a security guard earlier, and he said it was pretty breezy this morning, and so a lot of guys did go home already. And as you can see, we have a couple of cranes right here just not doing anything, and I guess it was just too windy for them. So that's the way it goes. Now, I have not heard anything good or bad as far as construction date, any type of delays going on, so I do expect this to open in 2021. I moved more down Manhattan, and we're more east of the structure. Now remember, this place will have this dynamic sound system which will allow for beamforming technology. So for example, if there is a multilingual type event going on, the system will be able to beam different languages to different areas of the arena. Not bad. Not bad at all. Also have this haptic sound system where the floors will vibrate to the music to give the person, the individual, the fans, the audience, a more immersive experience with this. And so right now we're very close to Sands Avenue, and as you can see, here is the monorail track, or the monorail rail. Not really a track, right? Monorail rail. And the monorail does run, you know, quite frequently. It's $5 per ride for non-locals if they do have discounts. And so, you know, I rode a couple of times. It's okay. You know, I think $5 a ride is kind of expensive in my opinion for the distance you cover, but you know, what do I know, right? Okay. Now, before, I would film from over there, but security guard busted me and said, hey, listen, you know, this is all private property on that one street, and so you really can't be here. But if you want to film, please go to Manhattan, the street we're on now, and just go ahead and have a good time. So, you know, these things happen. You know, I don't fight security on these kind of things. They just, you know, send me on my way, and I left. And so right now we're on Sands Avenue. Now we are in the shade right now because the structure is blocking the sun from us, so we can get a little bit of a nicer view. But once again, you know, I'm so close to the structure, it's hard to capture everything in one shot. But there's a, oops. Check this crane out. Hey.